Welcome back to UK Infos. Today's topic is output devices. What is output? The information produced by a computer is called output. It can be text, images, audios, and videos. Example for output devices: monitor, printer, plotters, speakers. Output device. An output device is a piece of computer hardware that receives data from a computer and then translates the data into another form. That form may be audio, visual, textual, or hard copy such as printouts. A monitor consists of a screen, circuitry, a power supply, buttons to adjust the screen settings, and a casing that contains all of these components. A monitor displays data from a computer onto a screen so the user can interact with the data via a digital interface. Popular brands are the examples: Acer, Apple, Dell, HP, LG, Lenovo, and Samsung. Let's see about types of monitor. There are three types. The first one is CRT monitor, LCD monitor, and LED monitor. What is CRT monitor? This is a CRT monitor. CRT stands for cathode ray tube monitors. That is called CRT monitors, are the conventional computers large in size and have wide viewing angles. LCD monitor. This is called LCD monitor. LCD stands for liquid crystal diode monitor. An LCD monitor is the advanced form of CRT monitors. LCD monitors use cold cathode fluorescent light. So it is used cold cathode fluorescent light. LED monitor. This is called LED monitor. LED stands for light emitting diode monitors. Light emitting diode or LED is an improved version of LCD monitor, and manufacturers have tried to eliminate the drawbacks of LCD monitors. So this is one of the advanced level of LCD. LCD monitors are based on light emitting diode. Printer. A printer is an output device that prints the data processed by a computer. After creating a document, we can send the document to the printer for printing. The printer generates a hard copy known as printouts of the document. It can print documents in color as well as in black and white. Printers can be classified into the following two categories. The first one is impact printer. The second one is non-impact printer. Impact printer. Impact printer also classified into three types: line printer, drum printer, dot matrix printer. Line printer. This is called line printer. Drum printer. This is drum printer. At last, dot matrix printer. So this is dot matrix printer. Non-impact printer. The first one, inkjet printer and laser printer. This is called inkjet printer. This is called laser printer. Next example for output device is headphone. This is called headphones. When headphones are connected to a computer or laptop or smartphone, they receive information outputted from the computer or the device. This means headphones are output devices. Headphones with built-in microphones are input and output devices according to the computer. Next example is speakers. This is called speakers. Speakers are attached to a computer to facilitate the output of sound. Sound card is very important. So sound card are required in the computer for speakers to function. So without sound card we could not hear. This is called sound card. Projector. This is a projector. This is a display device that projects a computer created image onto another surface, usually some sort of whiteboard or wall. The computer transmits the image data to its video card, which then sends the video image to the projector. It most often used for presentations or for viewing videos. Okay, this is a computer. So computer transfer the image to the video card and it's sent to the projector. So without video card we could not watch the videos. Plotters. Another example for output device is plotters. This is called plotters. A plotter is a computer hardware device much like a printer that is used for printing vector graphics. Plotters can work on very large sheets of paper while maintaining high resolution. They can print on a wide variety of flat materials including plywood, aluminum, sheet steel, cardboard and plastic. Plotters allow the same pattern to be drawn thousands of times without any image degradation. So last one is GPS. This is called GPS. We can find out the routes. A satellite navigation device, colloquially called as GPS receiver or simply a GPS, is a device that is capable of receiving information from the satellites and then to calculate the device's geographical position. Today, most standalone GPS receivers are used in automobiles. This is a worksheet. You can try it out. Thank you for watching.